Today's unboxing video is on this AC delete box for non-AC cars. We're just going to jump into this and open this up. Try to, so let's cut this open. Always cut away from yourself. I don't plan to be a professional unboxer, even though some people might say I am. I'm not. Wow, that's boxed pretty nice, guys. Extremely nice. How much did this thing cost? $97.52 for a piece of plastic. Oh, it's fiberglass. I don't feel so bad now. Actually molded fiberglass. Kind of got a sheen flat black look to it, and it just goes on with self-tapper screws pretty much, unless these factory bolt holes will line up. I don't know, but I got a car outside. We can go try it on.
Okay.
If you ain't seen the video, we moved the AC box out of this car. This car did have factory AC in it, but we moved that out.
This bolt hole lines up.
Yeah, I see one bolt hole lines up.
This one might.
They're both up.
This one lines up.
So the bolt holes might
This one will.
line up. They might line up. So that's good to know. This came off eBay. You seen the price of it. The quality seems to be okay. Even if the holes didn't line up, it ain't no biggie, but it looks like they line up extremely well. So this is a AC delete box unboxing. Hope you guys found it helpful and enjoyed watching. If you're thinking about buying one, you seen they fit. You have to drill for your heater blower, but other than that, it seems good. See you next time on the next video. Thank you for watching.